Hi, so here we are back to the dashboard, and I'm going to show you how easy it is to change a page on the website. Now, I'm going to come over here to the website, and I'm just going to pick a page. I'm going to come under here to patient information. Let me refresh that. Here we go. And I'm going to come down to scheduling. I'm going to look at scheduling, and I'm going to go, I like that, but I wish this phone number wasn't bold. Okay, so since I'm already logged in, when I'm in this page right here, there's this little link down here that says edit. And if I click edit, that will actually take me right into the interface to edit the page. Okay, that's one way for me to get to the page. Or if I was already back here in the dashboard, I could come over here to pages, go to all pages, scroll down here, and we are looking at scheduling. Scroll down. It's not on this one, but I see that there's one of two, so there's two pages over. There's two lists here. I'm going to scroll down. There's scheduling. All right. Now, as I hover over scheduling, I'm getting four things right here. I'm getting view, which, as you can see, is just that, viewing the page. I'm getting trash, which is exactly like what it sounds like, and that is deleting the page. So be very careful. Don't arbitrarily press that. It will ask you to confirm, but nonetheless, that's a kind of a dangerous function. So right here we have quick edit. If I click on that, I just get some quick things that I can edit, such as the template, the status of the page. If there's a parent page, meaning that it's a sub page or something, I can list that here. I can give it the title, a slug, or a subheading. I can see the date when it was created, who created it. I can put a password on this if I wanted to. List this as a private page. But I don't want to do any of that. I want to actually change the page is what I want to do. So I'm going to come over here to edit. As I click on edit, it's going to take me to that editor, which is the same place that I was taken when I was on the page. And I came down here and I clicked on edit. Okay? So I'm going to click view page here, and that's going to actually pop the page over here. Get rid of this extra one. So now what I said is I wanted to bold this phone number right here. Okay, as you look at the interface here, when you're into the interface to edit a page, okay, you're going to notice that the actual content of the page is in kind of a little visual editor here that's very similar to a word processing program. You have some very similar functions such as bold, italicized, strike through, bulleted and numbered lists, block quote, alignment, left, center, and right. Here's ways to link in. There's a page where you can insert a tag. Here's a way to format certain headings and pre-formatted text such as address and what paragraphs you can format as a paragraph. Just very similar things you see in any word processing program. Okay. Over here you see this is published, and this is where you actually publish the page, and once again you can also delete the page. Be careful there. It's going to show you the visibility that's public. The status is published. You can see when it was published. You can click this to preview your changes actually before you publish it. And let's stand here. I'm going to highlight that number right there, and I'm going to click bold. That's all I've done. I haven't done anything else. I'm going to click preview changes. It's going to pop over there. It's going to show me. It's going to look just like that once I'm done. I like that. That's going to work for me. I'm going to click update. And then now the page is updated. I can click view page. And now I'll see the actual page now has a bolded number. Very simple, just like that. Right down there to the link where it says edit, or right over here to where it says all pages. Or pages to where it'll come down to all pages. Alright, and you click update once you're finally done. That's it. And actually, if you wanted to create a new page, an entirely new page, okay, there's a shortcut to do that right here from this interface while you're actually in there. And you can just click right next to edit page. You can click add new, and that's boom. That'll bring you right to a blank page, so you can create and edit a page. Now, one thing that I do want to tell you here before we're done with this video is that when you name a page, okay, that's actually what's going to end up coming up here, and you're going to get something very much like that right up here in the address bar. For instance, I'm going to go to all pages, and I'm going to go to About Us, and I'm actually going to open that up in a new tab. I'm sorry, I want to view the page. Pause it. And as you'll see, the page has been named that I named About Us in the title. Again, there's nothing here yet, but as you'll see, it's named About-Us up here. So just to let you know that whatever you name a page that's what WordPress is going to use when it creates a URL for that page in the system. All right, and in the next video, we're going to take a look at the WordPress menu.